back with a little random number generator. So this is the year 2021 to 2025. We got 2021, and then we'll do the month. May 2021. We always get May. It's so weird. May 2021. 50K using ES and NQ. 2021 May. No, that doesn't matter anyway. Plus a month, create session. Okay, we are at the start of your session on Monday, 3rd of May. Looks to me as if we're at all-time highs. Yeah, okay. So we long until proven otherwise. Seems like we swept out this external high, and that looks to me as though we're retracing. We do have stacked daily lows here, so we've got one daily low here and then another here, very close together. That could be taken out perhaps, maybe, but I mean that is to send us higher. ES is already very close. Okay, we have an S&T at previous day low with ES. It looks to me is that we're going to go straight to previous day high and maybe all-time highs on ES. So we'll kind of use that as a guide. At the moment, on the 4-hour, we're bouncing out of this 4-hour first presented here, and maybe we go up to this 4-hour intermediate high, so that's a good draw on NQ. What about ES? Which one is this? Okay, it's already kind of going straight through this, I can't lie. Yeah, I mean, it looks to me as if we're just going to go to all-time highs on ES. Come out this 1 hour. It may be a retrace down here before coming higher. That's a big maybe. On the 1 hourly on NQ, do have stacked lows here. So I have this Asia high. It's going to get into the session. Is there anything immediately we can bounce off to go higher? We've got a 30-minute down here, sorry. So maybe we come down there, sends us higher. If we disrupt this 30-minute, I'll expect us to come down. 15, nothing really. So I'm just going to get into this session. It looks like we've come into the 30-minute. There's a little S&T at this high, but I still expect it to be taken. We've also come into 30-minute on ES. Less so. Let's see if we hold up in this. We've probably created a 5-minute gap. We have. Potentially get along to this. Some of them on there on ES. See what's going on. Yeah, I just don't like how we're kind of flushing straight through this 15. We've inverses 15. Oh, but there was a 15-minute first presented down here actually. Yeah, could take this long to this 5-minute. Have an S&T. When was the manipulation leg? 9:45. Do like this, to be fair. Looks like we are expecting this first presented 15-minute. So as a mech long here, I don't mind it. So I'm going to give this a go. Got a 1-minute tiny inversion here, it seems. Oh, do we even have an inversion here? No, not really, actually. 30 seconds. 30 seconds already been taken. So because there wasn't a 1 minute there, I'll probably look at the 30-second, enter here, and then that's better RR anyway. I'm going to take it back. I know it sounds ridiculous, but I'm going to take it back one. Was there a 30-second on ES? There was also a 1 minute on ES. Yeah, but I'm fairly confident about this long if we get a 30-second closer, which we did. Oops. And this also provides a better break-even point, which is here before we hit that 5 minute. So I am going to take this. Well, my stop would be all the way down here, probably. Yeah. So it's a 1 to 1.7. Got all of this. Got an S&T at the low, 945 PO3, targeting an internal 5 minute, reacting from a 15-minute fair value gap first presented. No matter if we're bullish or bearish, I think we should get some sort of reaction to at least the 5 minute here. So I don't think I'm going to take parties at 1 to 1. I'm just going to go straight to. That was our break even, and then there we go. No break even trade. I mean, maybe we could have taken this up a bit more because we're bullish. Are we bullish high time frame? Yeah, ES was very bullish high time frame. But yeah, I think that's a good met long. Just gonna, well, actually, get out of there. See if I took the 1 minute, would it have? So I would have gone probably stop there. Would have gone break even at the 5 minute. So even if you took the 1 minute here, would it play? Would it depends if that takes break even or not. I mean, you could have got an entry just below. You've got to hope for an entry just below because that's evil if that's just taking out a break even. That's why you get in the 30-second. There was no 1 minute version either. 30 seconds here. But S&T is really obvious here. ES is also coming to 30 minute, so it's got a narrative for longs as well. But yeah, this is really nice. But I'm going to take it back to the 30-second for my actual trade. You also have a better stop as well. And then better RR by like 0.17, but still. And then we're going to say MEC long S&T P03. Anything else? No, that's just 5 minutes. That's just like an easy trade that you see hundreds of times. We go to the next session. Oh, we've had a big bearish reaction. Obvious targets that we've edged is this 4-hour, probably daily intermediate, right? No, it's just daily gap as well, so that's fine. On the 4-hour on ES, it's in a 4-hour. So we've got targets on NQ still, which is nice. 4-hour intermediate up here, but I don't really expect us to come up to it. I expect us hopefully come into this 15 minute and then short. That's my only narrative. Yeah, it's the only thing I want. Or maybe a long here, but I'd rather a short. Do a 30 minute. Do 30 minutes here, but I'd rather come up into 15. It's more discounted. see what we get. How much up into the 30-minute? I don't really want to short from here. I'd rather 3-minute play this high. Oh, it's just gone straight down. Okay, no entry there at all. So keep going, I guess. If we inverse this 1 minute, it's the only bullish narrative I can see. Yeah, I think we're just coming down here. The 4 hour, this will be our next ultimate draw. The 1 hour, don't have a lot, so we're just going to have to try and get like a 5-minute continuation here, maybe 15. It's very bearish, so I don't really mind taking something that's not into a 5-minute. It's just a retrace. That's unfortunate. It's taken all our draws, and I wouldn't target this low now because this becomes high resistance because we've just taken out a low. I mean, you could long that, but it's just a silly long. Like, we could easily just retweet that. Just get that break even there. See what I mean with those? Do not have a 50, but I mean, logging in this is just really dumb. Unless it's perfect. I still wouldn't even really want to take this 2-minute long because we're so bearish at any longs in this market. We have an S&T here, I guess. Has ES come into anything? Hourly first presented? Maybe. We'll see. I think we're so bearish we can keep going down. Yeah. That's an okay, but we've already entered the 15-minute here. Not confident about longs. Taking all our bearish target out. Like, we can tape read this, but I wouldn't take it live. I think I'll be confident enough. I mean, the break-even point is so close to you, you just don't want to risk it. It's our break-even point, break-even. I wouldn't want to risk that. That's always going to be break-even in my opinion. A 90% probability of that being a break-even. So why do you risk the 5% that it just doesn't hit a break-even point? I don't know. I don't know if that makes sense. Yeah, I guess this long. I mean, yeah, it's just taking out all our draws, and that just means it's low probability for anything. So we just move on to the next day. We are coming back into the 4 hour after coming to this daily. We've come over EQ this, so maybe get a push up to here. But I mean, we also can retrace. So 1 hour there. It's also going to be 4 hours soon. We've already basically inverted this 4 hour on ES, so I guess we can target more liquidity on ES. So it'll be a good guide to where we can start target if we're bullish. Anything on a 15-minute? No, not really. Haven't versus 15-minute. Kind of watch this rejection wick. I don't know. Could get short after it. I mean, a short skirt is not bad. It's just distributed so far. I'm not interested in taking this. This will be my break-even point. Bit of an S&T. I mean, it looks good, but stop is pretty ridiculous. 0.4%. Like I'll just expect a long out of here. Wait, did we already come in on? Yes. Yeah, we did. Right. Um, what was a 30-minute on ES? Yeah, it's not loving this price action at the moment. On S&T at this low, 3-minute, 2-minute. I'd rather take like a 2-minute here. I felt it's a long, but still wouldn't love longs. I don't think it's bad this long. Um, just mm, just structure looks a bit weird. We've got low resistance at our stops, high resistance here on ES, and we are in a 5-minute on ES as well, so that could send us lower potentially. So I'm not going to take this. Just not the best quality setup. Then we come into the hourly. Also is a more discounted hourly just here. Yeah, this looks like we're heading down. Like, technically, or kind of, on the 1 hour, when we swept on the wall, we had a gap fill here, and this has reacted really strongly off it. So technically, this is kind of like a rejection block. So like long into that, it's also filled on 15 minutes. Literally tapped the 15-minute fill here. We're at that strongly off it. I'm just not confident about along there. But it does look like we're going to come down here. We did come into a 4-hour, but I mean, looks like we're just obliterating it. This is pretty obvious liquidity here and here. So maybe we can get like a continuation short towards it. Already taken this low out on ES. We've got this low here still on ES. We've come into a 5-minute here. This has taken out Asia lows. This kind of is. We need to see something good out of this area, I think. Is there a 15-minute above? No, not yet, not for a while actually. I need to see some like S&T, pretty obvious manipulation. So I'm not loving how slow it's going. This is chopping up like a line like that, but it's chop. Just try not to short out of it unless it's coming to like a really high time frame gap. There's a 15-minute and 12-minute, so maybe we can wait for that. Not even that. I'm not. Oh, that's a 15-second. So I'm just not confident taking any of this. There is an S&T, I suppose, but like having first that 30-second now. You know, potentially I take this. but like I don't want to, so I'm not going to take it. So I'd rather wait for 15 minutes. Oh, so played out. Still edges that low though. The heck? It's now just a tiny weenie. 30-minute here. So we're really rejecting out this area. 1 hour's been respected. We've got an S&T at this low. We have now come into that. I just didn't really want to take this 30-second. We've come into and out of the 5 minutes too often. Maybe if I have conviction on the day, I take that. I don't know. This tiny 15-minute here. Maybe we can target a 5-minute. No, it's literally nothing. Hit the 30-minute. There is a 5-minute here. Can we get short out of this area? Doesn't look like it, does it? So I'm going to come back up to this. What is going on? Just shot fest. 30 minutes here on ES. Already swept the 30-minute. Watch there be a 10 a.m. manipulation. That looks to me. Oh no, we're so close to 30-minute. 1 ES. And we've inverted that. Yeah, no trade. No trade here today. One hour. Still very bearish. Oh, 4 hours, sorry. 4 hour. We've got this 4 hour here. Maybe that can come and send us lower. God, I do not like the structure at all of this. Yo, straight line, motherfucker. 1 hour. I'm rejecting this. Inverse this. This will be my next bearish target. Just come up. Made this 30-minute intermediate high. The 15-minute intermediate high. Looks like we're generating liquidity towards the target, so maybe a Judas swing here on open. Wouldn't be the worst thing ever. On the S, we just look doo-doo. Absolute doo-doo. No Judas swing, just straight to our target. Okay. That's unfortunate. No entry there. Wow. Do you get a really strong 2-minute close, but look at the stop. It's just crazy. Just absolute crazy. I don't like it, I'm afraid. Would have been break even, I reckon. Just nothing ready to target, like whatsoever. Let's see, we've got these lows. We've got to be bearish first. I don't think that's a bad long. Like this looks more high resistance than this. 2 minute, we come out of the rejection work here. Maybe I'll take this. Targets wise, we still don't have great targets. You just invest an hourly to the downside. I don't see a massive expansion. Maybe if you invest a 15 minute, well, it's pretty tough to call that it's going to come up from here. Exactly why. This looks like more rejection right now, but I'm just going to wait till it takes one of these loads of highs. Okay, going to get a 5 minute continuation. We might. Got 5 minute on both. It's not particularly sponsored. It's also aligning with a 1 minute order block. Oh, come on, you nitwit. Come up into it. We're so close to this external. I don't know why we're not getting to it, to be honest. Um, yeah, longs here will just be dumb as fuck. Still looking for a short to this external, to be honest. Hey, probably just go up and inverse this. Yeah, that makes sense, doesn't it? I mean, it's reacting off this rejection block again. We've created a new rejection block. I do think it's going to flush the external, but I don't think I'll take this. Reacted really nicely on ES. But let's just take read this because I think this is a fairly decent trade. I wouldn't take it because it's after 4 p.m., which is session close for me. That's why we don't take these. Yes. Trading after the session close is just dumb as fuck in my opinion. Are we going to get a trade here? We've literally had one so far. There's literally been nothing else. Uh, I got 50% this range. I have nothing to really work with here. We're retracing ours. Did we get that external? No, we didn't, which is just mental to me. We're kind of equal highs with this 4 hour gap, which is a good target. Looks like a CPI day. And we're back at all-time highs on the S. Okay. What can we do from here? 5 minute there. Will I target it? Nope. We have oh, we have got an SMT here, you know. SMT with data low. 2 minutes still got a minute to close. 3 minute, 4 minute. I mean the 4 minutes. Oh, I just don't like this at all. Remanipulate that 5 minute. Maybe we come down now. This is ripping into all-time highs. Oh, I still don't love it. This short, especially with ES's position. Great S&T. This looks could be high resistance, so I'm not going to take this short. Boom, loss avoided. I'll see. I'd rather take a 5 minute long there. 30 minute rejection wick. Take this 5 minute long. Have manipulation at 10 as well. I need to back test rejection wicks more. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this. See if it works. That's what backtesting for. It's just seeing if something new to you works. I think this would be an okay long to take. Fuck? What has happened? What's happened? A bit long. Okay. We would have got break even here, I reckon. Yo, can I go back to it? Fucking hell, what is this? To this day, motherfucker. Bro, I hate this stupid platform, dude. I hate it. And let's say we did get this. Would there be a break even point? At the moment, to me, best break even point, I don't know. Would have to be maybe if you had like an SMT with ES. I'll definitely trade my stock if it goes up. Oh, not a buy limit, you bumder. Market order. Market, market. There we go. Not so hard. It's like very low volatility here. Okay, now I'll probably go break even. This band is so far up high. Like, we've got a propulsion block here. So I'll say our stop is protected now. I know it probably does come. I know it does come back down to a break even. But still, I don't think that's a bad trade to take. Maybe you could have gotten earlier. Especially when ES manipulates, I mean NQ manipulated it this time. When was it? Maybe that's the trick. Maybe the same for like a 1-to-1, 1-to-2. Oh, wouldn't even go 1-to-2. 1-to-1. He's outside trade, but towards a 5 minute. Actually, no, we didn't even. I wouldn't take that. That's fine. Next session. So we got this. I'm a bit faster now because I know I've got actual market open soon. Looks like we're going to inverse this gap at some point. Maybe this can send us lower. But if you trade ES, like, I don't know how you do it, man. Don't know how you do it. Not so much. Oh my god. It's just ripped to my target. 2 seconds. Nothing you can do about it though, it's just part of the process. That's 4 hour. I'm probably just looking for continuation shorts here, I can't lie. Maybe you can use ES as a guide. Still got these lows intact. We are in a 4 hour now though. That's a 4 hour intermediate, so we could get some sort of reaction, but we're so bearish it will not take long here. Like, take me a lot too long. .5 minute, 1 minute version, tiny weeny 1 minute version. Still 1 minute version. Stacked lows on ES. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's inside the hourly, which isn't ideal. I can see this coming down. We'll go break even. I mean, I don't like it because there's no good target immediately. There is 3S though. It's so weird. What equal lows? It's just peculiar to me. No, I wouldn't take this because there's no immediate. I felt a high time frame target just here, easy. I would take the short, but there's not, and it's just continuation. We'll see. We'll see if this works because sometimes when we're so bearish on a day, we can just expand from here. I'm not going to take this. We'll take read it. We'll go break even when ES hits this. Oh wow. Okay. We do just expand from here. Okay. I'll note that down. I'll note that down. If we're so bearish on a day, the first retrace we get always goes a little bit more. I mean, I'm just making up a line now. What do I want 1-to-1? Yes, that's goofy. But it's noted. It's noted. We'll put that in. What's it called? Faded trade. Faded didn't have any hard time frame targets. Hello. However, very bearish. Hello. Very bearish. And still. Level. Hello. And didn't retrace far. Just something to take note of. This is just really low frequency at the moment, isn't it? But still on the session. 15-minute is up here. I mean, it's just stat loads in the S, isn't there? S&T with this. 5-minute, can it send us higher? Nope. 5-minute inversion. Oh, that'll be a nasty trade, but we didn't have a 15-minute really in the S. And maybe I should have taken that 5-minute. Oh, we move. Yes, it's very close to its target now, so maybe we can get a 5-minute retrace. Do. Can use ES as a navigator here now. Second. There's a 30-second gap. The hell? Yeah. Same on ES. Do you get healthy close over that 30 seconds? When was the manipulation? No significant time in the manipulation. Oh, this is tough. We have inversed the 5-minute, but it could just be manipulation lag. 15 minutes all the way up here. Did we inverse the 5-minute on? No, we didn't. We respected it. This is like a 50-50 for me. I can see us getting stopped straight out here, but sometimes this works. Do I have conviction about this? There would have to be a really early break even here. You know what, if this was on... We'll give this a go. Even though it's inverse the 5-minute, like it's a bit stupid. I'm saying that and watch me just lose. I will not take this live. What am I kidding? It's inverse the 5-minute. Yeah, I'm not taking this. I will not take this live. Damn! Would have won. Why have you inversed the 5-minute, dude? So annoying. So there's another faded trade. Faded trade. Invest the 5-minute upside. Oh, thank you. That's not yes. Also wasn't a sponsored 5-minute. That is yes, that's not. Thank you. Have no targets. Yeah, I've done 1 week of price action and we've taken one trade. We'll do one more day and then we're done. One more day. That's it. Clear and obvious draw. Is it send us lower or can we use it at target? We've hit a 4 hour, so this looks high resistance. We hit a daily as well. Yeah, we have hit a daily. Wouldn't want to trade down, really. Maybe that's like a 15-minute or 5-minute up. Very close to this daily low on the S. That's the projection bit there, isn't it? Oh, what the hell? Really strong reaction from this daily. We get a 5-minute continuation. No, we can't. Oh, God, I hate this. I hate it so much. Maybe make shorts on the table here. Nope. Oh, we don't even trace the 5-minute. Like, what the fuck? Not a singular retrace. Don't know what to tell you here, man. This is just dog shit price action, man. I can tell we're going to slow retrace here, you know. Reverse to 5-minute before what? It's a 15-minute gap here. Will I take that short? No. No rejection block either to come off of. ES hasn't inversed to 5-minute. Do you have an S&T at this high? Or maybe I do take this short. just closed, to be fair. You know what? I'm going to take this short. Make sure high time frame S&T, which I don't really use. There's still a target for ES down here. This is a very high time frame trade. Did we hit a break-even point on ES? Yeah, we hit. So we've hit this low on ES, which aligned with the 15-minute. So my gut would probably tell me to go break even here. I can't lie to you. So I'm going to go break even. This could still win. I don't know. But in a live trade, if it took the low I was aiming for on ES, on NQ, sorry, already, I'll go break even. There's nothing really protecting my stop. I can see us just continuing out of here, going up. Oh, that's unfortunate. So it did win. Did win in the end. That's annoying, isn't it? That's annoying. It just looked a lot better on ES, to be honest. And I guarantee it's going to flush at this low now. There you go. Like maybe we re-enter this candle, like here. Stops here. Quick break even. But that's maybe I would take that. Maybe. But let's just journal this. Where was it? That'll be the last. So I've had. Can't see all my message there. Okay, I'm gonna end it there. Hopefully you saw that I need to work on maybe where I broke even, and then also faded trades, because every single trade I said would be a faded trade or break even trade, they all went to TP. So maybe I've missed out on three wins there, but That's all part of the system. That's why backtest. Gonna learn. So yeah,